This EVAR hydrogen-rich water dispenser is capable of generating high-concentration hydrogen-rich micro-nano bubble water. This kind of water is considered beneficial to health because it contains abundant hydrogen molecules, which can help neutralize free radicals in the human body, thereby slowing down aging and preventing chronic diseases. EVAR hydrogen-rich water dispenser adopts advanced hydrogen water technology. Through the rapid action of platinum electrolysis, it enables the rapid dissolution of high-concentration hydrogen in the water, and then generates hydrogen-rich water with a concentration greater than 1000 ppb. It has a powerful antioxidant effect, and can comprehensively and quickly remove malignant free radicals in the human body. It has preventive and therapeutic effects on various diseases such as cardiovascular and other diseases, cancer, and diabetes. This EVAR hydrogen-rich water dispenser also has the function of instant heating, which can quickly provide hot water. It also has the function of fully automatic water inlet to avoid frequent manual water changing. At the same time, it has multiple anti-dry burning protections to ensure safe use. In addition, the product also adopts multiple noise reduction treatments, making the operation quieter and not interfering with users' daily life and work. It is so excellent. For this reason, I summarize the following functional features of this product. 1. Generation of high-concentration hydrogen-rich water. 2. Platinum electrolysis technology. 3. Instant heating. 4. Multiple safety protections. 5. Noise reduction design, quiet operation. 6. Automatic water filling, no need for manual operation. 7. One-click drainage. 8. Large capacity water tank. 9. It can also be used without installation and is convenient to move.